All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you how I make these little bushings. They're for a brake bracket kit I make for a customer on these old school mountain bikes. He converts the braking system over to hydraulic brakes. So basically, I do the brackets themselves on the CNC table, but I don't have a CNC lathe fully functioning yet, so I use the old Logan lathe with the turret attachment. I set up my turret with a center drill, one step up larger actual drill bit, and then an end mill. It's a 4-flute end mill. It's just basically what I had. That's the exact diameter I need the inside of these bushings to be. I cut all the bushings first, spend an hour doing that, as many as I need, and then one at a time I pop them in here and I bore the inside diameter. The reason I don't bore it first when it's just a piece of 1/2-inch tubing, I'm a 1/2-inch rod, I could put in a long rod, bore it as deep as this at least, and then kind of cut off 2 or 3 bushings. What I find happens is, even as stiff as this is, being 4-flute, it tends to veer off center slightly as I get deeper in. So when I cut the 2nd or 3rd bushing, the hole is just not dead center anymore. So over the years of doing it this way, this is what seems to work best. And the minute I'm done, I pop it out. I give it a quick deburr with this guy, and each one is done.